Hey, what is up, YouTube? Pokemon Language here today. With CBT4 round 4, so that's pretty awesome. I did just upload a Pokemon Showdown battle. It was Galvantula, the Electric Arachnid. So go check that out if you haven't already. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the battles. We have, wow, I'm loving this quality right here. How is this happening? This is insane. Okay, we have Poison Cetus, or Elite Blader 2, sorry, with his combination Poison Cetus, 145 Metal Ball. So it looks like a defensive combination versus an all-out attacker. Match Bay battles with Spiral Striker, 85 R²F. So one of those low-profile rubber performance tips in a BB10. Metal Ball is going to have to hope for friction and holding on, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so Elite Blader 2 has the better stamina time, so he'll be launched in first. So Match Bay battle is already getting in there, just giving poor Elite Blader a run for his money. Oh, this is a pretty epic. Oh, battle! And he gets the clean stadium out. Good job, Matt Spitals. Good job, Elite Blader 2. That was definitely pretty cool. I like that. Now Matt Spit Battles will be launched in first. Immediate hit right there. Matt Spit Battles does win. Good job, Elite Blader 2. Those were some pretty fast fights, but still some pretty cool ones. I really did enjoy that. So, let's just go ahead and do the next battle. That was pretty fast, yeah. So, we have Masamune Kadoya with Heavy Metal Face, Phantom Aquario in Stamina Mode, S130 WD. So, a lot like Fusion Cuties Evolution. Then we have Mercury Pegasus with Thunder Lacerda, ED145 and Metal Flat. So, it's going to be pretty cool. Masamune Kadoya has the better stamina time. Notice how 3 of these people have names that start with M's. Oh! Mercury Pegasus almost got the stadium out right there. That would have been pretty cool. But it looks like Masamune Kadoya is just really putting up a fight with that stamina and defense. Yeah, we have Matt Spitals, Mercury Pegasus, and Masamune Kadoya with him. But whoa, Mercury Pegasus really put Masamune Kadoya on a run for his money. Masamune Kadoya pulls it off. Oh, Mercury Pegasus doesn't appear to get... Oh, he does get the hit early on. Okay. Wow. Doesn't look like it's doing much, though. He can't seem to penetrate that Phantom and S130 combination. This is definitely... That was really close. That was almost a stadium out. Now he's just being deflected by the Phantom Wheel. It's not looking good for Mercury Pegasus. Will he pull it off? You know, his Beyblade is a combination between Thunder Lacerda and Spiral Lyra. So, yeah. Masamune Kadoya does take it. Good job, Mercury Pegasus. You also put up a pretty great fight. So, these are our 2 quarterfinalists. Which one will become a semifinalist? I'll see you guys in just a minute with the answer. Okay, so we're back. We have Masamune Kadoya versus Matt Spit Battles. Oops. No, did I ruin? Oh no, the quality's back. Yay! That's right, fight. Okay. Masamune Kadoya has the better stamina time. Once again, another defense on attack. Beyblade battle. That's all these things have been in round 4. Okay. So as you can see, Matt Spit Battles gets the stadium out automatically. Great job. Good job, Masamune Kadoya, but Matt Spit Battles takes it. Wow, such a light combination, taking down such a heavy combo. Ooh, who's gonna win? This is gonna be an awesome fight. Okay, so it doesn't look like he's gonna be able to get that attack. Early on, at least. Oh, he does get the attack. Oh. He's just being deflected off of the Phantom Wheel. This isn't looking good for him. He does go down. He has to hope through the stadium out. Masamune Kadoya is up by, or it's tied at 1. Matt Spit Battles has to get the stadium out, and Masamune Kadoya does not want him to get that stadium out. Who is going to win? This is going to be so epic and so close. He's already going around. Oh no, but it looks like he's going to the middle. Doesn't look like Matt Spit Battles is going to be able to get the stadium out now. Oh, who's going to win? Oh, it looks like he's coming really close. He really wants that stadium out. This is going to be so epic. I can't wait to see who wins. It doesn't look like he has enough power anymore. It just looks like the rubber tip's giving out on him. And, oh, Max Band Battles goes down. Masamune Kadoya takes it. You are a 4th semi-finalist. So, let me go ahead and do a preview of our semi-finalists. We have Mad Math Master. We have Isaiah Thomas. They were battling. And then we have Exotics King versus Masamune Kadoya. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys again soon with the next, hopefully with CBT4 semifinals. So see you then.